Let's learn some colors and shapes. Pop it. Blue color, dark green color, light yellow color, sky blue color, purple color, dark pink color, green color, light orange color, yellow color, black color, brown color, light pink color, orange color, red color. This is black color. Let's draw the shapes. Pop it. Triangle, rectangle, circle, pentagon, square, star, let's divide the whole with line. Let's draw small circle. Again I am making line in the rectangle and small circles in the line. I repeat the same thing in the circle. I am making line in the pentagon and small circles in the line. I'm making small circles in the star. Let's start drawing. This is red color, orange color. I'm using rainbow color, yellow color, green color. Green is also rainbow color. Blue color. This is triangle. Purple color. Triangle pop it. Red color. Orange color. This is rectangle. Yellow color. Green color, blue color. This is rectangle, pop it. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, This is circle. Circle pop it. Red color. Orange color. Pentagon. This shape is pentagon. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. This is pentagon. Pentagon pop it. Red color. Square. Orange color. Yellow color. Square. Green color. Blue color. This is square pop it. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. This is star. Green color. Blue color. Star. Purple color. Light pink color. This is star. Star pop it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.